My name is Anvi Shailesh Shingde. Today is Teacher Day. Happy Teacher Day, Sulbha ma'am and Avinash sir.
Hello friends and teacher, my name is Prachi Pramod Ghole, standard 3rd. Good morning all to the teacher and my dear friends. We are celebration Teacher Day. Birth anniversary. सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्ण. Happy Teacher Day. Happy Teacher Day. Thank you.
My name is Prasika Praveen Khandare, class 6th. A very good morning to my respected principal, teacher and my dear friends. We all have gathered here today to celebrate a Teacher Day. It's a special day from all of. We can play our dear teacher who take the effect of our future. Teacher Day are celebrated on 5th September in every year. 5th September is birth anniversary of the Dr. Sarvapati Radhakrishnan. When was the second president of India? He was always great teacher. When Dr. Sarvapati Radhakrishnan become president of India, some of his students wanted to celebrate her birthday on 5th September, but he suggested of celebration 5th September on his birthday if this day is celebrated as Teacher Day. Since the 5th September is celebrated as the Teacher Day every year, this day is celebrated by all teachers in India with great joy and happiness. It gives us opportunity of express our gathering towards our teacher. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principals, teachers, and my dear friends. My school name is Kids Paradise Public School, Patur, and my name is Purva Ravindra Pant. I live at Patur. I study in 7th standard. Today is a Teacher Day. My second parents is my teacher. My favorite teacher is Mrs. Neetu Dhoni. She teach Marathi in our school. Her method of teaching is very simple. Because of her, my Marathi is very strong now. She tries her level best to help her students in the class do the best in Marathi, like writing, grammar and communication skills. Thank you.
My name is Sheikh Rafi. Today is 5th September. Happy Teacher Day, my favorite teacher, Aniya sir and Sulbha ma'am. Thank you. My name is Dr. Raju Tahila, first standard. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Guru Mashra, Brahma, Guru Nama. आज 5 सप्टेंबर आपल्या भारत देशात मोठ्या उत्साहात साजरा केला जातो. भारताचे दुसरे राष्ट्रपती राधाकृष्ण डॉक्टर त्यांचा भारताचे दुसरे राष्ट्रपती राधाकृष्ण त्यांचा जन्मदिवस मृत्यू आयोगाचे आपले पहिले गुरु आहे तर दुसरे गुरु शिक्षक आहे. शिक्षक दिनाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
Good morning to all respected principal, teacher, parents and my dear friend. My name is Om Gopal Satkar, study second standard. My school name is Kids Paradise Public School, Patur. Wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. Teacher Day celebrated on 5th September every year in India. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great president, a great scholar, and an ideal teacher. Teachers are like our parents, friend, and guide. We should always obey and respect our teacher. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Good morning at the all respected teacher and my dear friends. As all of you know, we are here to celebrate Teachers Day. Dear friends, today I am going to give short speech on importance of a teachers in your life. Teachers Day is India yearly celebration on the 5th of September. This is a day to respect your teacher for their significant work. Teachers hold the real knowledge, empathy, and generosity for their students. Thank you, all of you.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Gaurata Inde. I study in 5th standard. Today is a Teacher Day. Teacher Day celebrated on 5th September to every year. We all have gathered to celebrate a Teacher Day. Today's day is a very special because today is a Teacher Day. My first teacher is my mother and my second teacher is my father. So I say some lines on Teacher Day. Gurura Brahma, Gurura Vishnu, Gurura Deho Maheshwara, Gurura Sakshat Parat Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Again, happy Teacher Day to all my respected sir and my respected teacher. Thank you.
Hi friend, my name is Dhanarshi Santosh Raut. My study in 5th standard. My school name is Kids Paradise Public School Junior College Patur. We talk about Teachers Day. Good morning to all my respective principal, teacher and parents and my dear friend. Wish you all a very very happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebration now 5 September. 5 September every year in India. The first Teachers Day was celebration 1962 on September 5. My favorite teacher in Nita Dhoni teacher, and very very happy Teachers Day all teachers. Thank you all of you. Happy Teachers Day. अंधार पडला तर दिवा पाहिजे, अंधार पडला तर दिवा पाहिजे, पाऊस पडला तर छत्री पाहिजे, पाऊस पडला तर छत्री पाहिजे. म्हणून आपल्याला जीवन जगण्यासाठी शिक्षणाची साथ पाहिजे, शिक्षणाची साथ पाहिजे. हॅपी टीचर डे सुबा टीचर. थँक्यू. My name is Ojasvi Gopal. I study in 2nd standard. Happy Teacher Day सुबा टीचर.
हेलो, मेरा नाम पार्थ उमेश खरकर, मेरी क्लास 4th. मैं तुम्हें एक शायरी बताऊंगा. इंसान वो जिंदगी के भवसागर से पार है, इंसान वो जिंदगी के भवसागर से पार है, साथ जिसकी माँ की परछाई हो और गुरु का ज्ञान अपार है. भगवान को भी भगवान बनने के लिए गुरु का ही ज्ञान काम आया था. माने तो उंगली थाम के बोला था चलो, पर चलना का है तो गुरु सिखाया था. हैप्पी टीचर्स डे. थैंक यू.
Good morning all of you. My name is Tamsha Chandrasekhar Sugandhi. I am studying 5th standard. My school name is Kids Paradise Public School Patur. Dear respected principal sir, principal ma'am, all teachers and sirs. Today I am telling you a short speech for Teachers Day. You are not our teachers. You are our best friend, philosopher and guide. Modeled into one person, we will always be grateful for support. Thank you for continuously inspired to do best you to help me. Strive for goals, found guidance, friendship and discipline and love. Everything in one person and the person is you. Happy Teachers Day to all my dear teachers and sirs. Thank you all of you.
I am Aryan Chauhan, class 3rd. Today is 5th September, Teacher Day. So I wish all my teacher happy Teacher Day. Thank you.
माझं नाव प्रज्वल किसन बाळापुरे. मी 4th स्टँडर्डमध्ये शिकत आहे आणि मी तुम्हाला एक भाषण देतो. माझ्या टीचरचं नाव नीतू ढोणे आहे. ते आम्हाला खूप चांगले शिकवतात. आणि ते मला खूप आवडतात. ते आम्हाला चांगल्या समजावून सांगतात. सर्व मुलांना शिक्षक दिनानिमित्त हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
Good morning to all respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Wish you all very happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September every year. In India, a teacher is a friend and guide of our life, who also importance good value in us. Teachers take their best efforts to turn the student into responsible citizens. Teachers play a very important and role in each one of our life. Once again, happy Teachers Day.
Good morning everybody, my name is Shah Sangha. Today we are celebrating Teachers Day. Teachers Day celebrating on 5th September every year. Teachers are the gift of God. Teacher is the great source of knowledge, and a teacher is also called Guru. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurudeva Maha. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day. My name is Vara. Today is Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day.
Good morning all of you. Today is a teacher's day. My favorite teacher is Miss Pore teacher, who teach us civics, geography and history. She is a strict teacher but very helpful and particular. I like helps ways to teaching. She explain us all the topics so that we understand to them concept clearly. She also recommend us to the doubts. Teachers play an important role in our life to become success in career and business. A good teacher helps us to become a good human beings is a society and a good civilization of the country. Thank you.
Good morning everybody, my name is Thomas Singh. Today we are celebrating Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated every year on 5th September. Teachers Day is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of Sri Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was the first Vice President of India and the great teacher. Teachers make their students academically strong, and they always encourage their student. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurudeva Maha. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day.
Good morning everyone, respected principal, teacher and all my dear friends. My name is Fresh Naisha Fatkar. I study 5th standard. I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. We celebrate Teachers Day on 5th September in every year in India. This day is celebrated on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Teachers make our future bright. He help us to become good human being. On this day, I to thank you to all my teacher and sir. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
माझं नाव स्वरा डोंगरे आहे. मी 2री वर्गात आहे. मी आज शिक्षक दिनानिमित्त मी कविता सादर करीत आहे. जीवनाचा मार्गदर्शक म्हणजे गुरु असतो. योग्य वाट दाखवणारा म्हणजे गुरु असतो. चांगले वाईट सांगणारा म्हणजे गुरु असतो. ज्ञान देणारा व्यक्ती म्हणजे गुरु असतो. विद्यार्थी घडवणारी व्यक्ती म्हणजे गुरु असतो. चुकल्या शिक्षा
चुकल्यास शिक्षा देणारा व्यक्ती म्हणजे गुरु असतो. जीवन घडवणारा व्यक्ती म्हणजे गुरु असतो. आशीर्वाद देणारा व्यक्ती म्हणजे गुरु असतो. यशाची गुरुकिल्ली म्हणजे गुरु असतो. तसे सर्व शिक्षकांना शिक्षक दिनाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. धन्यवाद.
Good morning to all. I am Sayyid Shahid. I study in 7th standard. Happy Teachers Day to all respected teachers. विश्व शिक्षा दिवस मानने की शुरुआत साल 1994 में हुई थी. उसके बाद हर साल यह दिवस मनाया जा रहा है. भारत के भरपूर राष्ट्रपिता डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन का जन्मदिन 5 सितंबर भारत के देश में मनाया जा रहा है. मेरे फेवरेट टीचर नरेंद्र बोरकर सर के बारे में 2 शब्द. अक्षर हमें सिखाते, शब्द का अर्थ बताते. कभी प्यार से कभी डांट कर जीवन हमें जीना सिखाते. थैंक यू.
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवन करा गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री नमस्कार. मेरा नाम है सार्थक प्रवीण खान. मैं दूसरी कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ. मेरे फेवरेट टीचर का नाम है सुलभा परमारी टीचर. वो बहुत अच्छी है. वो हमें हिंदी मराठी बहुत अच्छे से सिखाती हैं. वो बहुत प्यारी और दयालु हैं. वो कभी कभी हमें डांटती भी हैं. उनको आज का तुम्ही ऐसे उनको डांटती हैं. वो हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मैं टीचर के बारे में 2 शब्द कहना चाहता हूँ. जिंदगी गिरवी रखकर भी ना चूका पाएंगे हम आपका कर्जा. माँ ही नहीं भगवान से ये बड़ा है टीचर आपका दर्जा.
Happy Teachers Day. My name is Sonam Yogesh Mehre. I am from 4th standard. My favorite teacher नीतू टीचर. तशा तर मला सगळ्या टीचर व सर आवडतात, पण माझ्या आवडतीच्या टीचर आहेत नीतू टीचर. त्यांना खूप छान शिकवतात. मला असं वाटते पुढच्या वर्षी पण ते आम्हाला हिंदी व मराठीला असल्या पाहिजे. त्यांच्या क्लासमध्ये हर वेळेस खेळीमेळीचं वातावरण असते व ते आम्हाला हसत खेळत शिकवतात. म्हणून आम्हाला सगळं समजते आणि त्या खूप छान शिकवतात. म्हणून मला त्या टीचर खूप आवडतात.
My name is Savika Nilkan. Today is Teachers Day. My teachers are Ashwini ma'am, Sulba ma'am, Patil sir. All teachers are the best, but my favorite teacher is Sulba teacher. She teaches us Marathi and Hindi. She tells us very nice moral story. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day. My name is Arjun Patankar, 2nd standard. Today is 5th September, Teachers Day. For that reason, I would like to give you 2 lines. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Gurudev, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahm, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. My Teachers Day. My favorite teacher, Sulba Parmare ma'am. Happy Teachers Day, ma'am. My name is Anika Nilesh Botre, class 3rd. जिंदगी गिरवी रख कर भी ना चुका पाएंगे हम कभी इसका कर्जा. माँ ही नहीं भगवान के बराबर गुरु का भी है उतना ही महान दर्जा. किस्सा जिंदगी का कभी शुरू ही ना हुआ होता. किस्सा जिंदगी का कभी शुरू ही ना हुआ होता अगर जिंदगी को जिंदगी बनाने वाला गुरु ही ना हुआ होता. आज थैंक यू बोलने की बारी है. आज ओ टीचर तुम हो मेरे सर का ताज. हैप्पी टीचर डे. थैंक यू. नमस्कार. The way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take,
The love you give makes you the world best teacher. Ambore teacher, Patil sir, and Parmadi teacher. Happy Teacher's Day.